Fi ddim yn deall beth sy'n rhoi ti off neu Cymraeg. I need to do the other one, biology and cemeg and instead, maybe even math.
Because you want to be a vet?
Ond ma' hwnna'n meddwl bod ti ffili wneud Cymraeg. Me too, be still got another choice, still got another option to do something else. So if you enjoy Cymraeg, do Cymraeg. Don't think, don't think it's going to hold you back, because if anything, it's going to give you more opportunities.
As an Englishman, why have you always been very supportive?
I mean, I can see the advantages, the number of job opportunities, so many jobs that I could have applied for if I'd been a Welsh speaker. And obviously if you do an A-level, it just opens up a much bigger avenue.
I can remember you having a cardiologist appointment when you were very small, when you only spoke Welsh, and the cardiologist was he switched to Welsh for you and it made you feel so much more at ease. Pa mor ti wedi penderfynu achos o'n i ddim wedi goffa perswadio ti o gwbl.
O'n i jyst wastad di mwynhau'r gwersi. All the llenyddiaeth, y Mabinogi, hen gerdd.
All the stuff that you never did in Tygau, basically, the new things.
Extra stuff. Mae cymaint sy'n ei dramau, ffilm, nofele.
So os ti'n cael watchan ffilms mewn pync eraill i ti?
And I thought then I really enjoyed it, and I thought I just want to do something I enjoy, and I enjoyed Welsh, so I just wanted to do it.